If you see the bridge, it's too small. Don't try it. Don't try it. It ain't worth it.
Is he gonna do it?
But
He's gonna.
don't. What is that? Oh my gosh. Listen, boy, we starting it out right. Starting it out right. Hey, look. Is it gonna hit? Oh! Boy, you know what kind of whiplash you gonna get with something like that? Man, what's gonna happen here? Oh my goodness. Bro, he probably unalived him with that one, I ain't gonna lie. Crazy work, man. Slow it down, big dog. Oh my goodness. It's too late now, man. Did they have a bridge? I didn't even see it. Oh, he lost his brakes. He lost his brakes. It's wild. Bro, that is crazy. Turn this screen stuff down a little bit. And that's wild. Bro, you can look and see that bridge too small, big dog. Now look, if you see the bridge, it's too small. Don't try it. Don't try it. It ain't worth it. Alright. We ain't even gonna get into all of that. We just gonna tell you, man. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Not paying attention. Come on! Oh my goodness! Come on, champ! Come on now!
Pero sé dónde está el restaurante.
Oh my goodness. Bro, we gotta play that one back. That is wild. That is wild. I'm gonna go back some more on that one. That is crazy. Yeah, come on, champ. You gotta do better than that, man. But
Pero sé dónde está el restaurante.
my goodness. I don't know. Hey, on this one,
Pero sé dónde
I can comment down below what y'all think happened. Cause I don't know. I don't know if he lost his brakes, or I don't know if he just was texting on the phone. I don't know. It's crazy though. Man, that dude came full fledged, not stopping. Get that. Man, that's wild, man. We're gonna
Pero
keep it
sé
going,
dónde
man.
está el restaurante.
Too fast on that curve. Them curves to get you, man. Curves, man. Slow it down, man. Oh my. Well, he in trouble. He fired, whatever. Oh my. Boy. Hey, champ. Look. Look. Where you at, boy? Come back a little bit on that one. Look here, boy. You better be praying to the Most High, because I'm going to tell you. That is wild. That is wild.
Remember, an accident just near the Pacific Highway has mentioned Sydney Mountain. Check out
Yeah, nah, he just wasn't paying attention. He just wasn't paying attention on that one.
Conditions apply. Thanks, Terry. You need
Yeah.
help. Look, we don't.
Man. Oh, yeah, he going too fast. Come on, champ. He gonna lay it down. I already knew he was gonna lay it down. I don't know if he lost brakes or what it was,
Is he gonna do it?
but
He's gonna.
don't. What is that? Oh my gosh. Listen.
And the
man.
bridge wins again.
Bridge is always gonna win. Oh! But he did everything. Hey, I can't fault the driver. He did everything he was supposed to do. Hit that back. Look, cones is out. Four ways is flashing. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's on the four-wheeler. You probably got unallowed on that one though. It's sad, but oh my goodness. What is this dude?
Нет, мы так где не едем.
Spin out.
Ох, ни хрена себе! Ох, охренеть!
O caminhão. Olha o descendo, perdeu. Puta que pariu, perdeu o controle, o caminhão. Meu Deus do céu. Meu Deus. É, caralho. Meu Deus do
I
céu,
don't know
olha
what
só,
they
bicho.
saying, but
Meu Deus do céu.
he set it down.
Meu
He didn't
Deus,
lock
olha.
them brakes.
Bora ajudar lá, mano. Tu Aquele é cara do carro. doido?
Didn't set them brakes. Look like dump truck up. Dump truck is up. Your dump bed is up, I mean. Dump bed is up, champ. Dump bed is up. Y'all couldn't see it because my face is blocking it, I know. But he took down the bridge. Let me tell y'all something. So look. I know I just skipped that lesson. I used to work at a construction place, right? And at this construction place, I used to drive dump trucks. One of my first trucking jobs, right? Dump trucking and belly dumps and end dumps and stuff. I did it. I had my dump bed up, but one of my buddies called me on the CB and said, hey, your dump bed is up. And man, I'm not lying. I probably was like 20 yards from the power lines, so I can't talk stuff to him, but I can stuff, Hey man, that's it for this video. Y'all got me telling on myself. I'm out.